Sorry, I did it again, so I have to do a part 3 continuation here. When I pick up my phone, I had it on pause. But anyways, let's just go. We're looking at the input phase shift. And this is the light shining bright, but not that much. And this is the phase shift here. It's not much. It's maybe a half a space or one space. So it's about 0.86, let's say 0.9 power factor. This is the input. And this is also inductive. It's not a leading power factor capacitive, it's inductive. Boy, it's really fuzzy on my phone. There, that's better. You can see the phase shift right there. Okay, so, and now I'm going to twiddle the amperage. I'm sorry, this is the, is this A? Yeah, this is the amperage. So it's actually capacitive leading. Because here's, no, it's inductive leading. So it's just a barely inductive leading. I mean, inductive lagging. It's not capacitive. It's not leading power factor capacitive. It's very small phase shift. Okay, so let's go to a little more dramatic phase shift here. Okay, this is the 20 UF cap. You can see how much brighter the light gets. There we go. Now let's get this evenly spaced. Zero line like right down the middle. Pretty good. Now this is the 20 UF cap. I'm going to twiddle the, here's the capacitive. It's in front. It's leading. It's capacitive leading. As it should be because I added capacitors. So the 20 UF cap, what I see on the scope, like I said, I took photos of it and then blew them up and counted the spaces and stuff. So this is a 60-degree phase shift and it's 0.5 power factor. That's what this is. 0.5 power factor. And here's the most interesting thing when I do the big baby 42 UF. Jeez, it's so bright. Now I'll get this so it's even, and you can see the slopage, kind of the current. Let's see, the current is this one. The current has a slope up and comes almost straight down, so it's kind of a sawtooth current. Let me get this, there, this is better. Doesn't look like it now, but this is, you got to have it right, the zero line right in the middle of them. You can't do it for what the peaks say. You have to do what it is at the zero line or it's all messed up. That's why I don't trust those power meters that show power factor. I think they work off the peaks myself. It has to be what the phase shift is at the 0 line, or forget about it. Let's see. There we go. That's kind of, you know, when I tilt my phone, I adjust it. There's what it is right there. It's about 3 spaces. Capacitive too, 3 spaces. So this is a 90-degree phase shift. And this is the input from the grid. And it's affected by the capacitor across the load. Greatly affected. Okay. I think that's pretty good. I got some good numbers. And this is going to be 3-part upload. Sorry about that. Okay, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Take care about you. Bye.